pixels.cool.
Welcome to you and welcome to this fifth explainer in the series Beginning AI with WordPress and AI Engine. In this explainer we're going to use AI Engine to add a chatbot to our site. From the AI Engine dashboard, start by going to the Chatbots tab here. As the plugin is constantly evolving, this tab may look a bit different to what you're seeing, but the important options will be the same. A default chatbot is already present here, ready for us to customize. As you make changes, the preview on the right of the screen will update. For example, the default theme for the chatbot is ChatGPT. When I change the theme to none, the preview changes to a basic text design. I'll switch back to ChatGPT. I'll leave the mode as chat. As you can see, you can also create a bot that will generate images for your site visitors instead. This context field is important. For now, we'll use the context to describe the persona of the chatbot. For example, the friendly, creative AI assistant that is already here as the default. Leaving this context as it is, I'll ask the chatbot, "Who are you?" and read the response provided. To prove just how important this prompt is, let's change the context to converse as if you were a poet. Rhyme whenever you can. I'll ask the same question, "Who are you?" And there you go, a short poem from your AI bot. You might like to stay and play and practice changing the context. We'll return to context later in this series when we're using the paid Pro version of the plugin to access more advanced features. Next, let's look at the visual settings for our bot. Here we can give our bot an on-screen name. I'll go for Arcadian and update the start sentence to something like, "I know all about this event. Do you have any questions?" Again, the demo is updating dynamically. Down here we can choose if we'd like our bot to pop up in a corner of the screen or show full screen. I'll select pop up. The bot will now appear as an avatar for the user to click on. You can select an avatar to use or link to your own custom avatar. And choose a page position for the pop-up bot by expanding the pop-up settings here. Finally, expand the AI settings section. We can select an OpenAI model to use here. At time of recording, Turbo is the default and is best to work with for most general use cases. There are important differences between these models and they're being regularly updated. If you're interested in learning about these models, which will be important if you'll be using bots on a commercial site, please see the OpenAI website. This temperature field will accept a value between 0 and 1, where 1 lets the model loose to include creative responses. Be aware that can also include making things up or hallucinating as it's called, while a low number close to 0 will result in more focused, precise responses. Remember, if you find a setting in AI Engine you're not too sure about and would like more information, why not ask your own bot? For example, tell me in simple terms what AI model fine-tuning is. Okay, our chatbot is ready to add to our site pages. AI Engine can add it automatically to every single post and page. To do this, at the top right, for site-wide chats, select the default chatbot. That's all there is to it. I'll check this is working by going to any of my Arcade Festival site pages, and here it is. To add your bot to individual posts or pages, rather than forcing it to appear everywhere, make sure site-wide chat is set to none. Next, copy the shortcode for the individual bot by clicking here, and paste this shortcode into an individual page in edit mode. And there you go, the bot awaits on this one specific page. We can go on to create additional bots with different settings as needed. Start by clicking the plus icon here. Give the new bot a unique name and work through the settings just as before. Each bot will have a unique shortcode to paste wherever you'd like to use it. In the next explainer, we're going to switch to the paid Pro version of the AI Engine plugin and look at how we can make our bot content aware. This will mean it can effectively see the content of the page it's on and answer visitors' questions about that information. If you're already sure you'll make use of AI Engine's paid features, or would just like to support the developer, head to their website here and purchase a license to download a copy. You'll find full installation instructions for the Pro version of the plugin on the site.
Pixels.cool